start. Good morning, everyone. I would like us to look at the summary of fractional distillation of liquefied air. Now, the first thing we know is that air is a mixture of gases. So this is our air. This air contains nitrogen, oxygen, argon, dust, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. So first of all, dust, which is this one, is removed through electrostatic precipitation. So electrostatic precipitation removes what? Dust. So once dust has been removed, the remaining part of air that is remaining is dust free. It does not have dust. So what is remaining in the air now? Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. Now carbon dioxide is removed through reacting with or bypassing the air through concentrated potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, either of the two. You use either concentrated potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. Okay? So when you pass it through that, what is removed? Carbon dioxide is removed. That's why I'm putting an X in carbon dioxide, meaning carbon dioxide removed. Now the remaining part is not having carbon dioxide. What is now remaining? Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and water vapor. How do we remove the water vapor? Through passing it through condensation chamber, where it is condensed, and then this water comes out or is removed as ice. The water is removed as ice. So we are having now our gas or our air, which does not have water, which does not have water vapor. So this is still air, but it is some of the substances have been removed. Okay, that is dust, carbon dioxide, and water vapor have been removed. Are you seeing that? Now we move to the next stage, whereby now you are having nitrogen, oxygen, and air remaining. Sorry, and argon. No, this is not air, but argon, and argon remaining, which is a representative of other noble gases. Now, that air that is remaining is converted into liquid state. How is it converted into liquid state? By passing it through a compressor at 200 atmospheres. So it is compressed through repeated expansion and contraction. Okay? Repeated compression. At what pressure? 200 atmospheres. Now, the gases change into liquid at what temperature? At negative 200 degrees Celsius. I hope you are very keen to realize that the pressure is 200 atmospheres and the temperature drops to negative 200 degrees Celsius. So our gases have now changed into liquid. At what temperature? At negative 200 degrees Celsius. So this is now liquid air. Okay, liquid air. Now what happens to the liquid air? We carry out fractional distillation. Very good. Now, most students usually have a problem on which one comes out first here. Now, to be able to know which one is coming out first, you put the temperatures in a number line. This is it. Okay? Which one will be first in the number line? We are going down the number line. Which one will be first? Is it negative 183 or negative 196 or negative 186? Is which one? Negative 183. So at negative 183 degrees Celsius, oxygen will still out. Okay? What about argon? Will be the second. And which one will be the last? Nitrogen. So this is negative 186 degrees Celsius, and here is negative 196 degrees Celsius. 186 belongs to argon, and 196 belongs to nitrogen. Okay? Like that. So which one among these is the lowest temperature?
Nitrogen.
It is negative 196. Is that okay?
Yes.
So the lowest temperature is negative 196. So nitrogen will distill out first, since it has the lowest temperature, which is negative 196. Okay? Followed by argon, followed by oxygen. So if you are having a fractionating column which is having a lot of compartments, like for example this one here, okay, now the one which will come out first is the one which is having the lowest temperature. So nitrogen will come out first, followed by argon, and lastly oxygen. Because nitrogen has a temperature of negative 106 degrees Celsius, that's the boiling point, followed by 186 degrees Celsius, okay, negative 186, this is negative, and lastly oxygen will come out first, last at negative 183 degrees Celsius. I hope you are seeing that. Usually, the liquid with the lowest boiling point comes out first, or distills out first, followed by the one which has got the lowest, by the one which has got the highest what? Those which have got higher boiling points. We stop there. We meet in our next.